Your customer wants a water heater that's going to last longer. Why not give them one and make a little extra money at the same time? Mike Henry, Master Plumber and National Technical Trainer here to show you how. Now, you already know that there's an anode rod in the water heater that keeps it from rusting. So, adding a second anode rod would be adding more protection. And that's exactly what the Protection Plus Kit does. You sell this to your customer as a warranty upgrade, and then you put it into the water heater before you install the water heater in the house. It's as simple as removing the hot water nipple and installing this in its place. Then, all you have to do is put this sticker on next to the rating label. So for less than 5 minutes of your labor, your customer has purchased a life extension for their water heater. Everybody wins. The Rheem Protection Plus Kit, an easy upsell for you and peace of mind for your customer. So contact your Rheem supplier to learn more and start selling and installing these kits today. And don't forget to click the subscribe button below. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.